Hello, welcome to Cloudbuild. In this video, we are going to see how to create a load balancer and drive traffic to the EC2 instances. Let us create an EC2 first. We will be creating two EC2 instances. Before that, I will install an IP extension. Oh, add to Chrome, add extension. AWS console go to closed. The IP extension is working. You can see the IP is shown here. Okay, click on EC2. We are going to create two instances. Launch instance. Let's server equal to instance type will be t2.micro. Keep there and will select WordPress. Along with SSH, I'm going to allow HTTP traffic as well. Okay. Okay, I'm going to install the Apache tool from the user data. Slash bash apt update apt install Apache tool system cpl start Apache tool system ctl enable Apache. Okay, the spellings are correct, I believe. I'm going to create two instances with the same spec. Launch instance. So building, let us wait. Okay, one is running. Okay, running now. Open this. Okay, so it's not ready to deliver the content. So it will be okay. It's loading the Ubuntu default page. You can see the AP here. Okay, and try the second server. This it's giving the same output. You can see the IP here. Now let's create a load balancer. create load balancer. I'm going to select application load balancer and this my ALG, selecting all the subnets. Security group, I will be creating a new security group. ALG SG, allowing the HTTP port to the internet, adding a name tag. It is being created. Let's attach this to the load balancer. Here it is. We need a target group now. Selecting the instances and it my TG because it's the same default. Next, selecting both of the instances into the spending below. Create target group. Target group is also created. Passing this for now. Refreshing this. Okay. The create load balance. It is still provisioning. We need to wait. Okay, the status is active now. Let's try the DNS. Before that, let's check the listener. Target group. Okay. Both the instances are healthy. Okay, it's loading the web page. You can see the IP here. Okay, 185.147. Let's refresh this. Just due to a network issue. Let's try reloading this. It is working now. Yeah, so that's all about load balancer. Thanks for watching the video.